Kevlar fiber cases from Benks for the iPhone 16 Pro Max up next. If you're not familiar with the name Benks, they make some great protective cases and accessories for mobile devices. And I've taken a look at their case offerings for iPhones in the past, and today I'm going to take a look at their Kevlar fiber cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's dive right into it and take a look at what they sent. And I'd like to thank Benks for sending these over for review. Today they sent a couple of, looks like a Kevlar cases. For the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 2 different colorways, as well as the Glasswarrior Screen Protector. And these have a Sapphire coating, and again, this is for the 16 Pro Max. So I'm not going to install the screen protector today because I already have a screen protector on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but I am going to open this up to see exactly what they include in the box. So Benks looks like a sticker since 2008. Looks like a protective sheet, or actually probably to place your iPhone on a flat surface when you're installing. That is a good idea, Benks. Installation kit probably has stickers and microfiber cloth, and then the screen protector itself. And this is tempered glass, and this looks like one of those really simple installation things, much like the screen protector I looked at in a previous video, where you can just place this on the phone and it has a probably dust removal as well as a screen protector. This is actually surprisingly really good from Benks, and I do like the addition of this piece, and this piece is so that, let me get the iPhone off of here. And again, I'm not going to install this. I just want to show you the great accessories they include with this screen protector install. Is a flat pad, because one of the things when you install the screen protector that really bugs me is you try to put it on a flat surface and you're installing the screen protector and the phone will rock because of the huge camera bezel there. Benks includes this. This is kind of really cool. You can put it there, and there's an opening for the camera, so when you put your phone down and you're gonna install this screen protector, it's not gonna rock at all. So that is a great addition to the installation kit for a screen protector. Kudos to Benks. The only thing that I would say I wish you included was one extra screen protector. So it looks like there's only one in the case. I would have liked 2, just in case. Just gonna put this away. And these are tempered glass. I've shattered tempered glass screen protectors in the past and have had to replace them. So I have one on here now, which I don't really want to waste by taking it off, because I know somewhere down the road I will probably break it by dropping my phone. But again, for the most part, screen protectors are meant to protect your screen, the display underneath. So when the screen protector does break because you dropped it, your screen underneath should be pristine and clear of any damage. So good screen protector offering from Benks. Let's dive right into the cases. So again, we have 2 cases. These look to be the same case, different colorways. If we look, they are both Benks ArmorTint. So let's go ahead and set this one aside, and let's open up this one first. This is a protective phone case, again made with DuPont Kevlar fiber from Benks. And it's magnetic, so this is MagSafe compatible, designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And again, this is the Benks ArmorTint. This one's in green. So the tag there says Benks, and items can only be returned if the tag is intact. So if you remove this tag, you can't return it if you wanted to, if you weren't happy with it. So if you're getting this and you find you don't like it, I'd leave the tag on there. I don't need to return this, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the tag. And this one says, built with Kevlar, mag clap designed by Benks, snap on for effortless magnetic power. And that snaps on really nicely and really easily. And as you can see, there is like a metallic bezel around here, and that is a very generous bezel, and that'll keep your cameras well protected when you place your phone face down. You see that Benks logo right there in the bezel. It's kind of stamped in. That's a nice change. I do like seeing logos in the bezels or on the sides here. It's nice that they kept this really nice, clean aesthetic on the back. And this was like in green, so as you can see the fiber weave, it's mostly black with some green fibers weaved in there. Openings for ports and speakers on the bottom. You can see there's slits to aid with installation and removal. That's a nice touch so that you can have a fully covered bottom. There are openings for the buttons, so they're not covered buttons. So you can access all the buttons and access them directly, so they'll remain tactile. And opening for the side button as well as the camera control button for this year's iPhone. There is a bit of lip on the front, and as with a lot of these really thin cases, that lip is really subtle and thin, so this one is like, I can feel it, it's flush with my tempered glass screen protector that is on here currently, so it won't provide much protection from scratches if you do place your phone face down with the screen protector. But if you didn't have a tempered glass screen protector like I do, I would think that that subtle lip would probably protect your display. So protection for the display underneath, but probably not much protection for the screen protector itself if you happen to have a thicker tempered glass screen protector like I do on this phone. But otherwise, nice looking case. I can feel the Kevlar fiber, though it's very subtle. A little bit of a bumpy texture there, but not much. Mostly smooth. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next color. And this one is the Benks ArmorTint in gold, which should go well with this Desert Titanium iPhone. And pretty much the same as the previous case. Really nice texture. This one is black with a little bit of gold Kevlar fiber there. Same generous camera bezel. Openings for ports and speakers. Opening for the action and volume control buttons. Opening for the side button. And opening for the camera control button. It's a nice colorway there. I think that gold weave really accentuates the Desert Titanium iPhone. Looks good. Form factor is really nice. It doesn't add, I'll say, any bulk really to your phone, so it'll feel like you're holding the device itself in hand without any added bulk from the case materials. So Kevlar fiber, a really tough material, should really give you good moderate drop protection for your iPhone. Really cool, well-made case. So these are the two ArmorTint cases that Benks sent over for review. We had the green fiber weaved in with that black, as well as the gold. And I also believe they do have a blue available if you are a fan of blue. These cases are really lightweight. They should provide pretty good protection from drops. And there are openings so that you can easily reach and use those buttons on the device itself, with good protection again for the cameras with that generous kind of, I believe that's a metal bezel there. So let me know what you think in the comments below. There seems to be a lot of manufacturers now making these kind of woven fiber cases, be it from Kevlar fiber like this, aramid fiber, or carbon fiber. Is this an aesthetic that appeals to you? I'd like to know what you guys think. If you found this video useful at all, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and tapping the bell to get notified when I post new videos. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Until the next one, please take care and be safe out there.